the final band of the evening. This is Direct Current. We're gonna have a special guest from the guitar department at Long and McQuaid to come up and sing this tune with us. He really needs no introduction. I'm gonna just let him speak for himself.
Thank you all. I forgot my lyrics, so I need to read off of the sheet. What's going on here? Somebody call my management. Call Sharon. Clap your hands!
Thanks, Ozzy.